to another round of breaking updates. What we are learning that the police have now registered a case against an actor in connection with a hit and run in Kerala incident in which two bike riders were seriously injured near the Trivandrum club. Meanwhile, the actor says that the motorcycle had hit his vehicle and that the CCTV footage would actually support his claim, and he says that he is apparently not keeping well and that is why he didn't come out of his car but informed others to help the injured, saying that I'm not someone who will hit and run away and it is them who came and hit my vehicle. I heard a sound and when checked, these people had hit my car, and you can check the CCTV footage as well. And he says I'm unwell and that is the reason why I was not in a position to come out of the car, but he immediately asked the people there to help the injured. All right. But more update is now coming in on this development as the police say that the vehicle involved in the incident was traced based on the statement given by the actor, though his name was not mentioned in the FIR initially. So Arpita, help us understand, because after the actor appeared at the police station, his arrest was also formally recorded. What has happened till now?
Well, yesterday immediately when the incident happened, the police had gone to the actor's residence near Trivandrum Club, but the residence was locked. Nobody was there. Later today morning, the actor had appeared in front of the police. While the police when the police investigated, the actor gave a statement saying that he was keeping unwell. He realized that the motorbike had hit his vehicle, but he did not come out and check because he is suffering from chikungunya and he wanted to reach home as soon as possible, and that is why he informed the locals present there to check if everything is okay, if the injured is okay and needs to be taken to the hospital. But today we have access to the CCTV footage, but clearly you can see that the vehicle, his car, actor's car, has hit the motorbike and he is dragging the parts of the motorbike while he's taking a turn from Trivandrum Club. And now it is noted that police has registered a case, but they have...
Manipula Raju, who was then subjected to medical examination, was taken to the accident site for evidence collection, and he since has been now released on station bail. Well, that is the development we are picking up from the state of Kerala. Arpita, thank you very much for the moment. Back after a short break.